Growing followers for your company page on LinkedIn is well worth spending a bit of time on. There are a few techniques for doing this, and I'm going to show you one that in our experience is extremely underutilized, and it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. First thing is to figure out which profiles are super admin on your company page. To do this, go to LinkedIn and find your company page. Click on the top right Admin Tools drop-down. Click Manage Admin. Here you can review which users are administrators for the page. If not already, you're going to want to add your senior team, your salespeople, and your marketers to the page admin roles. Once that is done, each super admin person will need to log in to LinkedIn themselves and bring up their company page. On the right-hand side, each super admin should be able to see a box that looks like this, saying Grow Your Followers. Click the Invite Connections button, and you'll see a list of your closest contacts. Then, with the click of a button, you can invite these connections to follow the company page. Your company's invite credits renew every month. So if you utilize this feature for 4 months in a row, that's 250 invites, this could mean you've got an extra 1,000 new followers for free. But just as a side note, but an important one, if you decide to do this, make sure that you've got some interesting content for these people to read.